Welcome to this 10-minute standing legs workout. These exercises will help you rebuild your leg strength after birth. I promise your legs will be on fire. Ready? Let's go!
I've been searching my whole life for someone like you, someone who understands my heart the way that you do. But now that you're here, girl, I don't know what to say. I really wanna find a way, really wanna know you, I really wanna show you how I feel about you when I look in your eyes. Well, isn't it just lovely? The way my baby loves me. She really sets my soul on fire, but no words required. The way my baby loves me, with no words required. Every day that I spend with you, yeah, you got me feeling brand new. Ain't nobody love me, yeah, with a love so true. I wanna tell you how I feel, but I don't know what to say. I really wanna find a way, really wanna know you, I really wanna show you how I feel about you when I look in your eyes. Well, isn't it just lovely? The way my baby loves me. She really sets my soul on fire, with no words required. I tried to calculate it, she said don't complicate it. Baby, it's simple, it's only love. It's only love. Just be who you got to be, try to live more naturally. Everything arrives in its own time. Well, isn't it just lovely? The way my baby loves me. She really sets my soul on fire, with no words required. Now isn't it so lovely? The way my baby loves me. Oh, isn't it so lovely? Oh, isn't it just lovely, yeah. The way my baby loves me, yeah.
Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another.
No matter what people want you to believe, don't ever turn back on your dreams. It's all in your hands, a change is near. Close your eyes, listen, the sound is so clear.
Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another.
Speak up, stand tall, our voice has spoken. Rise up, love all, heart wide open.
Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another.
pick yourself up, strive through your pain. Keep moving forward, don't be afraid of who you are. Anything is possible, so shine like a star.
Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another.
Gotta love one another.
Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Oh, yo, yo. Oh, yo, yo. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta love, gotta love one another. Gotta love, gotta
I was standing by the bar and drinking slowly. You were hanging by the door and looking my way. Could it be a little eye like a foreplay? Maybe we can get a bit more going. Turned around and was about to show my girlfriend who I wanted to, but dancing close to my end. They were laughing, both just standing right behind me. I didn't even notice you were right there.
Then you took my hand and pulled me to your body, and we moved our hips in time, and I am all when I'm done. I can't help it, I can't get out.
Only one can take it.
I need you
Come
now.
on, let me show you how. Do it all.
Like you got me, baby. Can't help it, I can't get out.
Only one can take it.
I need you
Come on,
now.
let me show you how. Do it all.
Like you got me,
Oh, I feel your body pressing right behind me. I feel I'm down for anything you have in mind. Oh, I like the way you keep on grinding right beside me. The way our body moves, it feels like one. The night is over, we don't have to say goodbye, boy. Here's a number to myself so you can find me. 771-4243. You can call me anytime if you want.
so just take my hand and pull me closer now, and move my eyes here like you wanna make it all when I'm done. Can't help it, I can't get out.
Only one can take it.
I need you
Come on,
now.
let me show you how. Do it all.
Like you got me, can't help it, I can't get out.
Only one can take it.
I need you
Come on,
now.
let me show you how. Do it all.
Like you got
Well done! Your legs did amazing today. If you feel a burn, remember this is your strength coming back. For more, you'll find plenty of pre- and postnatal workouts here on my channel, Very Active. See you in the next video!